Welcome to Cold Brew Finance's U.S. End-of-Day Recap. Today is Friday, January 9th, 2026. We will be covering notable movements across indexes, sectors, technology, crypto, currencies, and commodities. Kicking things off, I'm Max Profit. The major indexes ended the day with gains. The S&P 500 index closed at 6,965.99, up 44.54 points, reaching a new all-time high. The Dow 30 index gained 237.94 to 49,504.6. Nasdaq Composite Index continued its strong upward trend, closing at 23,671.35, up 191.32 points. In market breadth, the S&P 500 index saw more advances than declines today. The Dow 30 index also reported a positive advance-to-decline ratio. Interestingly, though the Nasdaq Composite Index experienced price gains, it had more decliners than advancers, showcasing a subtle underlying weakness. Examining returns, the Russell 2000 index leads with strong weekly and monthly gains. It's followed by the S&P 400 MidCap index, also showing significant returns over the same periods. Notably, the Dow 30 index had a monthly total return of 2.998%, reflecting its strong performance. Among sectors, basic materials surged by 1.8% to close at 611.34, marking a new one-year high. Consumer cyclical and consumer defensive also performed well, closing up by 1.1% each. Despite a negative trend, utilities saw a price gain, underlining mixed sentiment within the sector. Healthcare led declines, down 0.58%, showing weakness even amidst a strong overall trend. Financial services experienced a downward breakout after staying flat for several sessions. Meanwhile, the communication services posted a marginal gain, achieving a new all-time high close. Global markets are seeing strong performances, particularly with South Korea ETF closing at an all-time high of 108.89. Japan ETF followed closely with a 2.1% increase. Turkey ETF continues its upward trend, showing some volatility in trading. In terms of returns, South Korea ETF achieved a week-to-date total return of 6.525%. Israel ETF also recorded significant gains with a 5.339% total return this week. Netherlands ETF performed steadily, adding to its positive momentum. In the realm of technology stocks, Apple ended the day at 259.37, nudging up by 0.33, amidst a mixed negative trend with strong downward volatility over the past 6 days. Meanwhile, Alphabet closed at an all-time high of 329.14, rising by 3.13. It has recorded 3 consecutive up days and exhibits a very strong positive trend. Conversely, Amazon finished at 247.34, up by 1.4, also maintaining a very strong positive trend with some upward volatility. Meta Platforms saw a rise of 7, closing at 653.6, though it's embroiled in a very strong negative trend with prices flat for the last 3 days. Lastly, NVIDIA slipped to 184.82, down by 0.21, displaying a mixed positive trend with a 2-day decline.
Checking out crypto, I'm Timothy Satoshi. Bitcoin is currently at 90,502.1, down 523.99 from yesterday, marking its 4th consecutive day of decline, with a mixed negative trend. Ethereum also appears to be on a mixed negative trend, now priced at 3,086.96, dipping by 17.34 today. Meanwhile, BNB shows a slight positive move, gaining 3.1 to be priced at 894.60. On another note, Solana broke downward from its flat line trend, dropping to 136.14. while Dogecoin continues its streak at 0.1406, down 0.0011. Looking specifically at returns, Bitcoin this week reflects a slight negative return of about 1.08%, yet still shows positive month-to-date returns of 3.43%. With the same time frame, Ethereum and BNB post similar month-to-date returns over 3.5%, maintaining some upward momentum. Notably, Solana boasts an impressive month-to-date gain of nearly 9.4%. However, Dogecoin steals the show with a substantial month-to-date increase of around 19.95%.
For a look at foreign exchange, I'm Victoria Cashmore. The US dollar is gaining strength across key currencies. Against the euro, the greenback is at 0.8593, up by 0.0019. Showing similar momentum, it trades at 0.7460 against the British pound and 157.9130 yen versus the Japanese yen, experiencing strong upward volatility.
I'm Max Profit, along with our AI hosts Timothy Satoshi and Victoria Cashmore. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Cold Brew Finance is an experimental project with market reports written, narrated, and delivered totally by AI, with market data kindly provided by financialmodelingprep.com. Always seek professional financial advice before making any investment decisions. Check in weekdays after 4 p.m. New York time for daily market reports with in-depth stock, index, sector, crypto, currency, and commodity coverage. Thanks for watching.